Yes, they can still invest in a launching price na 0% interest hanggang hindi na to turn over kay client yung hotel or wala pa, no? Or kumbaga hanggat hindi siya nag-ooperate, 0% interest. Yung,
even the down payment, very flexible payment terms. So, hindi kailangan na mag-spot down. Although, they can, of course.
To avail more
if they
discount.
want to. Oo. Pero, of course, other investors, syempre yung na cash flow nila eh. Maybe they are using it for their business or whatever purpose, di ba? Pero for the down payment, as low as 18,000, starting as at 18,000 per month.
With lump sum.
If ever naman na walang lump sum, I think it's like 40,000 pesos per month. Straight payment na yun.
For 5 years.
Yes. And
habang hinihintay yung project.
Yes. So, yun. No? After turnover of the hotel, so yung parang pambayad nila dun sa turnover balance is also the income that they get from Savoy Hotel, capital town Pampanga. So, I really hope that all of our prospects, investors, clients, no, they can really take advantage of this very good opportunity here in capital town Pampanga because again, no competitor. It's the first 4-star hotel here in San Fernando, Pampanga.
First township here in Pampanga.
Pwede din tayo for mga bulk buyers kasi in order for them to enjoy more discounts. Kasi Megaworld is very generous when it comes sa giving discounts din to our valued clients.
Yes, even foreigners, they can invest here in Savoy Hotel, capital town Pampanga.
Possible yun.
Yes.
As per the law naman here in the Philippines, diba, 60% should be owned by the Philippines, then 40% pwede for the foreigners. Yun.
So, ayan, hopefully, no, sir?
Invest now.
Invest now.